Did you know a man murdered his entire family, buried them in his backyard, and then vanished so completely that the world didn't even know he was gone for a month? Xavier Dupont de Ligonnès was everything a man could appear to be. Charming, Catholic, a father of four in Nantes, France. Nobody suspected a thing. In April 2011, he shot his wife and all four of his children, one by one, and buried their bodies beneath the patio of their family home. Then he got to work on the lie. He spent weeks writing forged letters to relatives and government offices. The story was convincing. The whole family had entered U.S. witness protection. Don't look for us, don't ask questions. It bought him 30 days before anyone checked. By the time police pulled the bodies from the ground, he was gone. 13 years later, he still is. A false sighting in Edinburgh in 2019 sent shockwaves across the world, and then went cold just as fast. No arrest, no confession, no grave, just a man who engineered his own disappearance and has never stopped running.